split ends are one of the most common hair concerns, and they occur when the protective outer layer of the hair becomes damaged, causing the hair shaft to split. This damage typically happens due to exposure to harsh environmental conditions, excessive heat styling, chemical treatments, or improper hair care. Over time, if left untreated, split ends can weaken the overall health of your hair, leading to frizz tangling and breakage. While split ends cannot be completely repaired, they can be prevented and minimized with the right care and daily routine. Adopting a consistent hair care regimen that focuses on maintaining hydration, reducing damage, and nurturing the hair can go a long way in keeping split ends under control. Here are 5 effective daily routines to treat split ends, ensuring your hair looks smooth, shiny, and resilient. Gentle hair washing. Washing your hair the right way is essential to prevent split ends. Overwashing or using harsh shampoos can strip your hair of its natural oils, leading to dryness and split ends. Here's how to do it effectively. Choose a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo, which cleans your hair without being too harsh. Sulfates can dry out your hair, making it more prone to damage. Focus on cleansing your scalp, as this is where oil and dirt accumulate. Always follow up with a moisturizing conditioner, focusing on the mid-lengths to the ends of your hair. This is where the hair is driest and most prone to splitting. Avoid applying conditioner to the scalp, as it can make your roots greasy. Try to wash your hair every 2–3 days rather than daily, especially if your hair is prone to dryness. This helps preserve natural oils that keep your hair hydrated and protected from damage. Regular trimming. Split ends are inevitable over time, but regular trims can keep them at bay. When split ends form, they can travel up the hair shaft, causing more damage. Regular trimming keeps your hair looking healthy and strong. Get your hair trimmed every 6–8 weeks to prevent split ends from worsening. If you're trying to grow your hair, ask your stylist for a dusting. This means removing just the very ends without taking off too much length. Split ends cannot be repaired, only prevented. Trimming them off regularly stops the damage from spreading up the hair shaft. Hydration and nourishment. Hydration is key for preventing split ends because dry hair is more prone to breakage. Using the right products daily can help keep your hair moisturized and protected. Apply a leave-in conditioner after washing your hair or even on dry hair. This will add extra moisture and protect your hair throughout the day. Oils like coconut, argan, or jojoba can help lock in moisture and protect the ends of your hair. These oils can be used on damp or dry hair, focusing on the ends where damage is more likely to occur. Some hair serums are specifically designed to smooth and seal split ends temporarily. They won't repair the damage, but can minimize the appearance of split ends and prevent further breakage. Avoid heat styling. Heat styling tools like hair dryers, curling irons, and straighteners cause significant damage to hair by weakening its structure. Frequent use of these tools leads to dry, brittle ends and more split ends. Try to limit your use of heat styling tools to a few times a week, if at all. Let your hair air dry whenever possible, which minimizes heat exposure. Always apply a heat-protected spray or cream before using any heat tools. These products form a protective barrier around your hair strands, reducing the heat damage. When you do use heat tools, keep the temperature as low as possible. High heat can cause more rapid damage to your hair, leading to breakage and split ends. Use a wide tooth comb or finger detangling. Detangling your hair the right way is crucial to avoid split ends. Tugging or pulling at tangles can cause breakage and split ends, especially if your hair is wet and more fragile. When your hair is wet, it is at its weakest. Use a wide tooth comb or your fingers to gently detangle it, starting from the ends and working your way up to the roots. This reduces the tension on your hair and prevents breakage. Avoid rough brushing when your hair is dry, as this can lead to splitting and fraying of the ends. Use a soft bristle brush or detangle with your fingers to be gentle with your strands. You can also prevent tangling by braiding your hair or tying it up loosely before sleeping or doing activities that might cause friction, such as working out. Less tangling means less breakage and fewer split ends.